going to be the best you will find on the internet space today. This is a brand new website where you can find games and apps that you can install on your phone and get paid for installing them. On an average, you can earn $30 per app you install. This is one of the easiest ways to make money online. Here you can withdraw your earnings directly to your PayPal or your bank account through Visa or MasterCard. Not only that, you can also withdraw in different gift cards such as Google Play gift card, Apple gift card, Netflix gift card, Amazon gift card, and many more. And if you love cryptocurrency, then you can withdraw through Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, TRS, which is Tron, USDT, Dogecoin, and other currency available here. You can do this from any country in the world and still make money and withdraw from this website. Now, if you just see me for the first time, my name is Chidi. On this channel, I share possible ways to make money online. If this sounds like what you are interested in, boop your like button, subscribe, and ring your notification bell. And make sure that it is on the all option so that you wouldn't miss out on any of our money making tips. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Now, the first thing you want to do here is to sign up, which is very easy to do, and you can do it yourself. Once you log in, this is how your dashboard will look like. Here you can earn money in 3 ways. You can take survey, you can watch video, and install games and apps. But our main focus is to earn money installing apps and games. The name of this website is payout.com. Link will be in the description. To earn money installing apps, locate the offer button at the top of the page. Click on the drop down to select the offer you want. You can install these apps right here and earn $12 for doing so. You can also install many play to earn games and earn this amount of money right here. And sometimes you can also find famous apps like PayPal, Cash App, TikTok, and Instagram that you can install and earn money for installing them. Just like you can see on your screen, app like Vintage AOS can be installed on your Android, iPhone, and computer or your laptop, and you will get paid $12.75 for installing it. Now, to make the most money from payout.com, come to the top of the page and look for gaming apps. As you can see, most of the high-paying apps are gaming apps that you can install from payout and earn money. For example, if you love playing racing game, you can install this Chaos Cruiser game from here, play the game, and earn $11. Now, if you want to play this game and make money, click on it and it will show you the description that you will read. You will do exactly what you are expected to do, and this is how you will get paid per level you complete. When you reach 100 meters, you get 4 points. When you reach 200 meters, you get 35 points. When you reach 400 meters, you get 70 points. When you get to 700 meters, you get 910 points. You reach 1000 meters, you get 3080 points. And the last, you reach 2000 meters of distance, you get 7350 points. For every 1000 points is equal to $1 earned on payout. And your progress here will be confirmed in 15 days, 6 hours, 40 minutes from the time you install this app. Now, to install this game, simply click tracking tags, and from what you can see here, you have to scan this QR code with your Android device to install it, or you can click on this go to offer site button and download the game from Google Play Store. Just start playing the game and earn money playing it. You can find many of such games here like puzzle game, fishy games, and the rest of them. Now, the amount you earn here on this game and apps varies from your country, but even if you are from Philippines, Nepal, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Nigeria, Ethiopia, South Africa, or from any of those third world country, you can still earn $5 to $100 from this website. And to also increase your earnings, simply come to the top right here, click on the sort by button here and select highest reward, and it will show you the highest paying apps and games available for you. As you can see that you will earn between $15 to $43 from any of this game here. If you play this white fish here on your device, you'll be paid $15. You can come over to the platform filter here to select the device you want to get specific offer for. You can also click on offer type to specify on the type of offer you want to complete. Other ways to earn money from this platform is to come over to the bottom of the page where you have earn and click on it. This button will be at the bottom of the page if you are using an Android, but if it is a laptop, you will see it at the top of your page. Now, when you click on it, you will see offer providers. This will help you earn even more money installing apps and games and watching videos. For example, you click on this offer provider, it will take you to this page where you can find more apps and games that you can install. If you install this game, you will earn 63,000 points, which is equal to $63. And the same applies to the rest of the apps and games here. You can also click on the reward option here to earn more. You can earn up to $250 to spin the wheel if you are lucky. And to withdraw from this platform, simply locate the cash out button and select the method of payment which you prefer. Fill in your details and click on withdraw, and you receive your money straight to your PayPal account or any other payment account that you have chosen. This is it, guys. The link to this site will be pasted down below the description so you can access it easily. Don't forget to like and share this video to as many as possible. Until my next video, it is peace out.